What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at 2012 Triumph Thunderbird. Guys, we just got a ton of bikes in. This is one of them. It's got these goofy bags on the back. They do have some scratches on them. Not a huge deal, guys. I mean, I would just take them off, honestly, if I were you. I left them on there. I do have the passenger seat right there. It's got a luggage rack. Tires are in good shape. Chrome is all in good shape. Tank's in really good shape. Front fender's in really good shape. This is just some glue from a sticker that I pulled off the front. Front wheel is in good shape. This side's it's pretty nice. I think this bike's only got like 5,000 on it. Scuff on the bag right there. Scuff on the bag. Seat has no rips in it. Top of the tank. Got a couple little, like a little chip right there. Tiny. Let's see how many miles are on this beast. 5,709. Let's see, it fires up right away. Bike's in really good shape, guys. Big fan of this bike. Like I said, guys, 2012 Triumph Thunderbird Storm. Super nice bike, guys. Red and black color. It's got some scuffs in the bags. Bike overall, though, is in really good shape. Paint's in good shape. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. Thanks, ton for watching, guys.